Hi, I'm Sliza Mita and this is Style by Sliza. Today we are going to be doing jewelries. Jewelries must have in your closet for work, for out and about with your friends, for the weekend, or just for anything to just style up your outfits. So I hope you'll enjoy this content and feel free to tell me, to interact with me in the comment section, and also tell me the kind of content you like. So let's get into the video. And for this video, I'm partnering with a beautiful lady called Oko. She owns IMO. It's a jewelry store, and she has an Instagram page, Facebook page, and also a WhatsApp business page. So I'll put her description on the description box. You can get her items. You can get jewelries. She has simple, classy, elegant, and a little bit extra. So if you're looking for jewelries options, please check out her page. And for more, let's start the video. First, you're going to start with simple, just glasses, regular glasses for the sunlight, and just like that, you are ready to go. This one you can pull it off for the office, you can wear it over the weekend. It's really simple, and I love the animal details on it. And I'll put on the description box where you can find such glasses if you're interested. So this is the look number one, simple, just add glasses. If you want the casual vibes, let's go with glasses. These ones are a little bit stylish. This is how you look when you're just normal. And then when you add the glasses, it's a little bit stepped up. You don't even have to do extra jewelry. You just have to do simple earrings, and you add the glasses, and you're ready to go. And you're in the second category. We're going to talk about necklaces. So this is the first type of necklace. If you know the name, please tell me the level of the comment section that I've googled, and it sounds like something like lariat. So this one is a little bit official, and it dresses it up. I really like this, especially for you can wear it over sweatshirts. You can wear it also with a buttoned up shirt, and you can also wear it with something like this, just a top, and it brings a contrast for the gold and just a little bit clearer. You can also pair it up with studs, or you can wear pearl. I love the pearl because it goes with gold and gold, so I was just trying to mix and match and make everything look very bright. That's why I chose gold. And just like that, classy and amazing. And the second type of necklace, okay, I don't know the name yet, so let's just call it necklace. The second type of neck piece for me, it's this. It's very simple. It's gold. It's classy. This one you can dress it up for work. You can dress it up for weekend. Anything. If you just want to make it appear a little bit dressed up, a little bit elegant, a little bit classy, this is perfect. So you can choose one of the two. Before the previous one and this one, you can choose and just have one when you just want to dress up an outfit and appear elegant and classy, if that's the look you're going for. And we are on the next type of choker or neck piece. Now, this one is also a statement on its own, and I wouldn't say you can wear it as an official unless your place doesn't have so much rules about formal type of wear, because this is a little bit casual and a little bit dressed up. But definitely if you're going for cocktails, if you're going for outs, if you're going for dinner, this is your go-to neck piece. It's amazing because here at the end it's unclatched, so it's not so tight on your neck, and it just looks really it lays very well on your clavicle bone, and then it exposes your neck area, so it's amazing to wear with a V-neck. You can also wear it with an off-shoulder dress or top, and voila, you have attention on your shoulder region. And we've talked about gold, so what about silver? If your undertone matches so well with silver, you could always go for a choker or a neck piece that is silver. This one is also on the classy and elegant side. I always advocate for classy and elegant because you can never really go wrong. So I prefer you have, for me, you must have one gold and one silver, and this is my choice for silver. So the dripping part makes it, brings attention to the shoulder, it brings attention to the collarbones, and yeah, just looks amazing like that. And I paired it with white pearls. If you've noticed, I really like white pearls. So when you're pairing classy or elegant type of necklaces, you better go with something that is a little bit toned down. on the earring bit. So pearls, studs are great examples of just anything that is just tiny as an earring. It just matches perfectly and dresses up the outfit. So I'm pairing silver on silver, and I've decided to go with these earrings. For me, this is also a must-have because it can always be worn at all, alone, and it's a statement on its own. So it doesn't really need the neck piece to look elegant. You can still do it without, and you can still pair it and look amazing. For such type of combination, it needs a plunging neckline or a V-neck, so that you show off your clavicle, you show off your jewelry pieces, and voila, you are dressed up. Now we are going to go to the long earrings. I always feel like it's, as much as you want something simple, you need those earrings that are just statement on its own. When you look at it like this, it makes this area a statement on its own, and that's why I call these earrings a statement piece. It's amazing, and it dresses everything up, and it just, for me, it upscales the outfit and makes it look amazing. And it really doesn't need a necklace, but you can always wear it with glasses, and voila. And we are back on statement earrings. So do I even need to say anything? Just damn, look at it. So this is a statement piece on its own, because honestly, it doesn't even need a necklace, it doesn't even need glasses. It's just eye-catching. So the one thing about jewelry is that I keep saying on and on for different types of pieces, whether it's a silver, gold, or it's a necklace, or it's a choker, it's all about drawing the eye. Now, if you wear such a piece, you're drawing the eye to your ear region, and most likely to your face. So this one just steps it up. Even if you have minimal makeup on, this one steps it up. It doesn't really need a lot happening. You can tone everything down, and you just add this and you're ready to go. So that's perfect. And that's all I have for you today. I'm going to have a part 2 for very casual one. Today I just wanted to put like a part 1 for official looking and classy, elegant, things that are a bit business appropriate and can also go to cocktails or dinner. That's what I was aiming at. And please, 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 if I called them different names, feel free to correct me on the comment section. I would really love to. And tell me if these are kind of contents that you would love. And if you have any suggestions, as usual, leave it on the comment section. And until we meet next time, stay safe, stay alive, and let's love one another. Peace out.